Welcome to Battery Guys with a Z. Today we are installing a battery for a 2020 Kia Rio. What you would need is a long extension with a 14 millimeter nut to take out the center bolt for this battery. We also too use a 10 millimeter as well to take off the positive and the negative. But as you see right now, what we're doing right now is taking out the center bolt. Just turn it clockwise. It's kind of really snug in there, so you really want to turn it kind of clockwise until you actually can get that bolt out. It's a real tight fit. Make sure that you don't lose that bolt as well too. So we was able to get that out. So now what we're going to do now, we're going to reach our hands in there. It's a very tight squeeze, so you want to reach in there and grab that bolt out. As you see right there, there it is. The bracket. Now get your 10 millimeter. Always take off the negative first, which is known as the ground. Just turn it clockwise and the negative should come right on off. Just twist it a little bit. There we go. And now reach over to your right, which is the positive. Twist that a little bit as well. Wiggle it and it should come off as well. Grab your battery, come straight out and insert the new battery. Today we are installing the world's best reconditioned battery. If you need a battery, make sure you visit us at batteryguyswithaz.com. And also too, make sure to hit the subscribe button. We are uploading new videos on a daily basis of all makes and models of cars, trucks, golf cart batteries, bolts, and everything. You make sure you want to get that notification. Now what you want to do is you want to put the positive terminal on first, tighten it up as you see right here in the video. Put on your ground, tighten it up as well. Make sure you get a very good connection on the ground. If it's any play in there, the car will not crank. And again, we thank everybody for visiting Battery Guys with a Z. And for all your battery needs, visit batteryguyswithaz.com and save 50% off of your next battery. Free shipping to your house. And we'd like to thank all our subscribers for visiting us on a daily basis. Make sure too you refer your friends and family to our YouTube channel as well. What we're doing now is we try to stick that the bracket back into that battery. It's very hard too. You got to make sure you take your very time. Take it very slow and put that bracket down first. Get it flushed down. Once you get the bracket flushed down flat in the center of that battery, then you can grab your bolt with your long extension and tighten that bolt up. But as you can see right now, Matt is having a difficult time of trying to get that squeezed in there good. Here we go with the extension. 14 millimeter we're using to tighten up that center nut. Again, guys, thank you for visiting Battery Guys with a Z, and watch out for the next battery install.